Hey y'all, Pickle Wheat here from the History Channel series Swamp People for my newcomers. The last time we talked was at my baby shower. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Sorry it was so long, but I am jumping back on today. I've been home a couple of days. We got to go through everything and I need to send out so many thank yous. But right now I want to show y'all my pig. Hold on, we'll get back to that. She's having a good day, y'all. We just starting to build this little pen for her in case when like on the days that we leave, we're gone all day or whatever, we don't have this side in yet. Y'all are kind of familiar with my chicken coop back here that also needs to be finished painting. We're gonna paint the little pig pen to match. But this is Kusha. And she's enjoying her little pond we dug her. Hey, cuckoo, Kashay. She's a mess. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Ugh. She's all full of it, y'all. But she's adorable. Huh, cuckoo. She's a cutie. But we got Josh put this little pen together. Of course, y'all know he's my handyman, my hired help, huh? It's a cute little pen. We're gonna paint it up to match the coop. I gotta finish painting the coop. That's been forever and a day that we haven't finished. We got toys back there. Oh, I can't zoom up. It won't let me zoom up. Oh, the dog just went in the thing. All right, cuckoo. We're gonna go back in the shed. I heard her splashing around back here.
We're going to lose a couple eggs a day because I think they like to lay in her new house.
Oh,
and I think Kushan, she just goes in there.
She's eating them? Oh.
Because they like the, you know.
So Kushan loves to eat the chicken eggs. And the chickens are starting to lay in her little pen. And they go in there and lay and she eats them. So Josh just said we're going to lose a couple of eggs a day. We'll have to figure something out. She's following me. Is she coming? Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh. She'll take off running, y'all. She's pretty fast. But like I was saying, I wanted to show y'all my little pig real quick because y'all know I'm obsessed with my little pig. I have so many pictures of her. And if y'all haven't heard the story, she was a stray pig. She was running around loose for, she was like 2 months. She was running around the neighborhood and Josh was out in the front yard one day and was playing with a squirrel call and she came up to the gate and he let her in and she hasn't left since. Now we're making a little home and she's got little scratch posts everywhere and we got a cute little potbelly pig now named Kushan who just randomly showed up. Hold on, y'all. 1 second, let me put this down. Look at the belly. The baby's getting big. What I was saying, I have so many thank yous to send out from the shower, and I'm honestly just getting through all the gifts. And I just, that is a whole nother live and a whole nother thing. What I really jumped on to show you guys today is my mama came to visit, but instead of just sitting down drinking a cup of coffee, of course we have things going on, you know. So I put her to work. It's trying to reconnect from the Wi-Fi. Hey y'all, hope y'all can see me. It kind of cut out a little bit. Look, the pig's scratching, but I put mama to work, y'all. So hold on, look at this. Hold on, wait. There you go. She is staining my bed. This is finished, just needs to be clear coated. We're kind of working on this together. We mixing two different stains and, you know, really doing some handiwork here. But it looks exactly how I wanted it and it's coming out beautiful. I put her to work. My chickens are going crazy. Jaws, leave alone. But Mama is putting the gray on right now, and then we're gonna come back over it and do some provincial. It's coming out good, y'all. Coming out good. You can't just come over here and not work, you know. We're doing things. We got a baby coming, y'all. We got a baby coming. So we busy. Josh is back there working on the pig pen. My chickens are going crazy. I don't know what they're doing. We got so many projects out and open in this yard right now. It's insane. Things are coming together, y'all. Yeah, just wanted to kind of jump on and show you guys a little bit, talk to y'all for a second about what's been going on, what's been happening. We did the shower and we went live for that and showed everybody. I got sent so many gifts that I kind of had to go live. And let me just say this, that was solely for the people who sent us gifts. You know, I know I saw some comments on there about, you know, nobody wants to see the baby shower and all of that, but a lot of people sent gifts, and I thought it would be really cool to share that with Facebook. You know, just kind of giving everybody a shout out and saying thank you on live, and kind of made you feel like you were there. You know, it was like a real personal thing for me. And my shower was absolutely beautiful. I have so many pictures to share from now. I had a photographer who generously came and did that for free. She's doing my maternity photos and my newborn photos, and she kind of threw that in there. She is awesome. Her name is Alicia Claire. I have some pictures to share, some sneak peeks that she sent to me that I have yet to share with you guys. Like I said, I'm kind of getting my wits about me. We getting all the things. The house is full of baby stuff right now. We kind of getting it all in her room and put away how it's supposed to be. And I can't wait to show y'all the nursery. But that's going to be a whole nother live, a whole nother video, let's just say. It might not be a live, it might be a whole nother video. Hey, everybody. Oh, thank you, guys. Yeah, we kind of been... A lot of people are talking about the alligators and snakes and everything. This is what's going on right now, y'all, you know. I will be, however, fishing in come August. The baby will be 4 months old by then. So I will be back on the boat if the creek don't rise come August and September. So y'all cross your fingers. Say y'all prayers. But yeah, we just working our butts off until Mamie gets here, and whatever gets done, and whatever doesn't. And it is what it is, y'all, you know. But yeah, like I said, the shower was absolutely amazing, and I will come on and personally thank everybody again. I have still a lot to go through because everything got opened and went through, and I saw where it all came from and everything, but I'm slowly putting it away, and when I get it all away, I'll come back on and say my personal thank yous to everybody. And it was just, I'm still overwhelmed about it. I know I sound like I'm ranting, and I am, but it was very overwhelming to receive all of those gifts for my baby, and she's so spoiled and loved already. But just kind of wanted to jump on and show y'all a little bit of what we had going on. I know it's been a couple of days since y'all seen me. The last we talked was the baby shower, so just jumping on, sharing what's going on. My mama came to visit. I put her to work. She's doing my bed. It's turning out absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to coat it and get it in my bedroom, because y'all, look, I'm an honest person, and we are not rich by any means. We're rich with love and life, and that's about it. But I have had a mattress on the floor. Now, granted, it's a California king, but it's a mattress on the floor, and it's very comfortable, and I just cannot wait to pick it up and put it on this beautiful bed. By the way, Josh built the bed, y'all. I didn't even say that. I'm just saying my mama's over here staining it and making it look good. Josh built it, actually, exactly the way I wanted it, and my mama is over here staining it exactly the way I wanted it. And so Mamie's spoiled, but I'm spoiled too, and they love me. But I can't wait to get it clear coated and put in a room, and that's something else I'll get to share with you guys. My whole bedroom makeover before the baby gets here. But yeah, that's kind of it, y'all. Just Mama's finishing up the footboard right now, and I'm sure now that this is all done, Josh is gonna wanna put it together, but he's gonna have to hold on because I got a clear coat, and so I'm gonna have to wait till his next off days to get it in my bedroom. But oh well, that is what it is. Hey Ruru, you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Good job. Good job. Okay, y'all hear my chickens. I'm becoming a chicken lady. Oh, thank you guys so much. A lot of people are saying you look so cute pregnant, and I just feel so fat. Thank y'all. Say bye. All right, say bye, Rue. So we're gonna go back to our day, and thank y'all for tuning in. Say follow the green. Say follow the green. Alrighty, y'all. Love y'all. I will talk to y'all soon and give y'all another update in a couple of days. Y'all have a good day. See y'all later. Bye.